natin sa media, vloggers. I hope you can share this information to the community so that they can also, among themselves, continue to practice and be aware that the possibility of such catastrophe or effects of the big one in Metro Manila. This may not suffice or maaaring hindi ito sasapat agad-agad, but through practice and muscle memory, one way or another, we may limit the possibility of casualty by being prepared. And also, at the same manner, we can also assess the technology that we utilize, the health department, to address possible huge numbers of affected areas. So muli sa inyo, maraming salamat sa pakikisa. And now, let's begin. First, huge and so many to come. CIMEX, simulation exercise with regard to earthquake drill. So muli, maraming salamat. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng kung may kapal. Manila, God first. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po kagalang-galang Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso. At sa mga pagkakataon po nito, tayo po ay dadako na sa ceremonial pressing of photon para po sa ating simultaneous earthquake drill. Kaya po mga batang Maynila, sabay-sabay po tayo. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
siren niya, 5 kilometers. Got the attention. Then later on, talagang sinadya na malaki. Usually, di ba, CIMEX, isang barangay lang, pinalaki yan para iba't ibang light structure kasi nila the future, doon ay kami maglalagay.
Kaya
Kasi walang fixed na.
ito mga
Yes. In fact, sa major nagagawin natin yung possibility na
kaya. So,
part is lockdown, part of it. Everyone will stop. How can we everybody stop? Let's just say, Mabuhay entrance. Yung Espanya.
Ramax na ako.
Sa makakapasok. So those are the learning curves. Walang kapasok. So, kaya kailangan patayin mo yung system. I-check mo talaga. Kasi natin yung speaking. Only the local government from within. Ano magiging reaction natin? Yes. This is part of the action, participation, resources, tapos yung crowd, lumabas, bilang mo na. Kasi iba yung, dito sa building, 50 kami, dito sa, pero nung makita mo, 200 pala sila. You'll never know. That's why you have to conduct the exercise.
Sabi nyo kayo na muscle memory, so ibig sabihin walang end kung hindi na to hanggang mapasok sa
Of course, that's what you call, that's why you call it preparedness. Para malimitahan mo yung casualty. Because there will be casualty. I think scientists already stated the possibility of casualty. Especially Manila is a very old city. Although hindi yan tinatumba ng gera, puro kinanyo niya nung araw. But still, age will catch up.
Kasi lang sir, dahil sa ating mga Manileños, especially sa intra-cruise wide muna.
Maraming salamat sa kanila sa partisipasyon nila. At pasensya na rin, naabala kayo. But do our best with the MDRRMO team and other agencies of government to really conduct this kind of exercise for our own good. Daig ng maagap ang masipag. Kaya maghahanda tayo. Gagamit tayo ng resources ng pamahalaan para sa kasanayan nito. At maging bahagi ito na kaisipan natin na yung posibilidad na mangyari ito maaaring Lunes, maaaring Martes, Merkules, Biyernes, Sabado, Linggo, maaaring umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi o kalimutan. Maaaring nasa gitna ka ng kalsada, opisina o bahay. Kaya kailangan lagi at the back of our mind, lagi nilang aapatan. So, makakaano pa kayo. Saka pasensya na sa mga nagambala ng Serena. Kasi talagang 5 kilometer radius yung Serena. Medyo maingay lang. But hopefully, maging successful itong araw.
Thank you.
Thank you.